How to fix app not opening problem. Hello friends, welcome back to another video of solutions for your problem. If you are watching our video for the first time, then do subscribe us and also press the bell icon so that you don't miss any kind of knowledgeable updates from our channel. So friends, if you happen to face this problem of app not opening in any of your application in your device, then this video is for you, because in this video I have come up with a solution for this. So first of all, you need to go to your device setting and then just go below and find out the applications or app manager or installed apps and get into it. And after getting into this application management, find out that very application that has this problem. And after finding that very application, go into that application and then force stop it. After force stopping that application, go to storage usage again and clear the data. Now after clearing the data, go back and go to data usage status and go to network permission and select Wi-Fi and mobile data. And go back again. Now go to permissions and allow all the permissions. After allowing all the permissions, you just need to restart your device and try opening the application again. Now you will find that your problem has been fixed. So thank you guys for watching our video.